Lego in KK Free. So I bought 8 of them. Like this already made. Now we're gonna make this. Before I start our video, remember to subscribe, like, click the bell, thumbs up. When you're done, write in the comment. Now let's start, guys. We'll start with parrot. Let's get it out, guys. Okay, later it will look like this, guys. Now open the instruction. Let it show later. When it's done, it will look like this. Okay, let us try, guys. Let us start with number 1. Okay, let us take it out. Maybe there will be left over because I ever tried. Okay, let's take it out, guys. Okay, first we need to take like a 2 small bit like this. Then we put it at the table. Okay, and then we take another 6 one like this. 6. Okay, put it like this and then do it like this. Okay, so guys, we're gonna take 2 4 1 and then 1 3 1. Okay, and then we like put it like this. Then put it like this. We may not make it a bit messy because it's so hard, guys. Okay, and then we continue the blue third one, and then we put it over here like this. Like this, right? Then we continue the second one with 2 red one. Okay, we're gonna make this and then we like put it over here. Okay, like this. Become a bit taller like usual, and then we're gonna continue with the 6 one still the same, and then we're gonna put it right here. Okay, we need to use our hand like this and stick it just like this. Then we're gonna continue with the blue one. By this. Okay, it will be like this, guys. Then we need to add 1 more yellow, the cute one. Then we add it at here, the bottom one. Okay, then we put it. It will be like this. Then we continue with the second one. We need to take the 3 one and then we put it here like this. Put it at the front. hair going up. And then we need to go with yellow one. Put it over here. And fix it like this. Then we're going to go with number 3. Okay, and then we take another 6 one over here like this. And fix it at the same one, guys. Then do it with another blue one, but small one, tiny one. Then we stick it over here. This, guys, like this, the feather. Then now we're going to make the wings, I mean the tail. We need 2 of these. We magnet, and then we put it like this. Then we take another small piece of blue. We put it at the middle here, guys. It will be like this. Take another 2 of the small red over here. Will be like this, and then we need to put it over here. The tail was so tall, guys, and so long. Then we're going to continue the next page. This. Okay, we're going to take the big one. Then we're going to use 9 of the small piece of, like, the square one, got the color of brown. We need to count to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just 9 already, guys. Then we need to make it together like this. And then it will do it like so tall, guys. Then we use the long one. We put it over here like this. Okay, we need another the square piece one. We put it over like this, and then we hold it out like our hand like this. And then we're going to do it like this. Be like this, guys. Okay, and then we need to count it over here. And then now we're going to make the face of a parrot. This, and this. Okay. Now we need the white and the black small piece one. Then we make it like this. We put it inside. Continue about this. We use 2 of the black. I mean, the block have a 3 one, and then we use another about white color one like this. Then we put it like this at the table. And then we use like this, and then, guys, like this, you need to put the black one over here. Then we press the white one. I mean, we need to put the 6th one like this. You this one, guys. Then we put it over here like this. This, guys, will become a bit taller. Then we need to put the white one above the black, like this. Then we put this like this, and then we take another tree one, guys. Then another tree one like this, and then we close it like this, guys. Okay, maybe we need to change the white one because it's a bit narrow, guys. We'll put it over here. This, guys. And then we put another tree one, this. Then we put it over here. Then we place it over here like this. It become a bit taller, guys. Then we need to put the ice, like this ice. Then we need to put it over here, guys. Put each of them in the same one, guys. Like this, become like this. Then we place another tree one, guys, over here, and then we place it over here like this. And then this one, later on, we put it like over here, guys. It become a bit cuter. Then we're going to go on in number 7, the red one. Okay, we need 2 of the red. This. Then we need 1 of the red one, but it's 3 one. Guys, we put it in, then we need another tree one. Okay, then we put it like this. Okay, now we need 3 of this, guys. And then we put it over here. We put it over here, guys. Like this. Then we need to put another, the small one, like the eye one. Just now we just used. Then it will have 2 of the black nails, and then this is the body. Okay, now I'm going to put it, guys, over here, guys. Like this, and then we need to put this like over here. Okay, then we need to put this one over here. Oh my god, it just fell, guys. Like this, and then we need to put a small one, like put it over here. Put it again. This tail we need to be tight. This, guys. And then we need to put a red one like this. Then we put it over here. and then we need to put it over here, guys. Okay, like this, guys. You need to make sure that it is tight enough. And it's ready, guys. It's a cute parrot, guys. Thank you for watching my video, guys. So this leftover one, and this one I just made it last time. Parrot that just now we just made. Right, we have so many, like already 100 that I want to buy again because Lego was my favorite toy ever I had. So that's why I buy a lot of Lego. So this that I made, guys. Next time we will continue about the kangaroo Lego. Thank you, guys.